This is a spicy battery here. Very puffed up, and I'm going to try and remove it. So hopefully it comes out without exploding all over me, but I thought I'll switch the camera on just in case it does explode all over the place. Keep it away from my face. So there's two adhesive strips holding this in on the bottom, and need to loosen them all. Looks a bit moist in here actually. This is a replacement battery. So usually there's a strip up here and a strip up there. This one's just got, well, maybe actually not. Let's see. Doesn't have the Apple on it. Doesn't have a proper writing on it. It says assembled in Chin. So that's a. I think I'll put this outside instead of keeping it in my house tonight. But basically, how we knew the battery was like that is because the screen was puffed up. The screen was coming away from the top, and it's a bit separated, but we'll stick it back down. It still works fine. Put a new battery in. So we've got adhesive here. I'm just going to use that to stick this battery down. Just make sure this is folded up the right way. There we go. I'll just check it first. Good. Stick that down properly. I'm not sure if that was a replacement, but I would say it's likely. So I'm just putting a bit of adhesive in here to stick the screen back down. We'll sort out the tidiness of it after. Save having to put a whole new screen on it. We can just stick this back down. The glass bit of these screens is just on top of a little plastic, what would you call it? A plastic frame, that's what it is, a plastic frame. So when the battery does expand, or if the battery does expand usually, it allows for this screen to move forward, and doesn't, well in this case it didn't break it. It does, I've seen iPhone 6s where it does break it. But the dodgy battery is not a good one really, because it's obviously quite risky having that sort of thing in the house. So I tend to get them out of the house ASAP. That's that final thing. Put these screws back in at the bottom. The little Apple pentalobe screws. In the bottom, just like normal, like every other iPhone, same size, apart from maybe the iPhone 7, which I haven't taken apart yet. So to replace the battery in your iPhone 5, just do exactly that, but in reverse. Well, not in reverse, but in reverse to start with, to get the thing apart. Just pushing this adhesive down here. Nothing funny going on. So, yeah, unexpected Andy Fraser IT video tonight. Wonderful. Let's push that down. Might put some other more adhesive down the side of that. But that's that. Thanks for watching.